But you're wrong if you think that the joy of life comes principally from human relationships. Rather than love, than money, than faith, than fame, than fairness, give me truth.
Poetry, beauty, romance, love. These are what we stay alive for.
Oh, Captain, my Captain. Seize the day. Gather ye rosebuds while ye may.
But when you forgive, you love.
Because we are food for worms, lads. Because believe it or not, each and every one of us in this room is one day going to stop breathing.
No phone, no pool, no pets, no cigarettes. Ultimate freedom.